So wow, bruh, completely changed the look of the car. Check it out. So this is dry fitted, man. Tell me this don't give the car a whole new look, a whole new feel. Just something as simple as this, man, completely changed the look of the car. That is crazy, man. I can't wait to install this thing. We're gonna take it out in the sun so y'all can see exactly what it do for the car. Man, that add a whole lot to it for me. That do it for me. And look at that weaving. That weaving is just perfect. Perfect. Bruh, that is so hard, so dope. And I think it's just what the car needed, you know? For real. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. I'm gonna record the whole thing so y'all can see how to do it. Most people, you know, dry fit it just like me. Then they tape around the edges. But I got a good eye for these things, so I'm gonna just freehand the whole thing. So we're gonna get it done right now.